and hold it. No, baby, it's here. Put that with ice, it will be more.
I'm done with it. I'll give it to you.
I put some ice. And hold it in your hand. Okay, darling. San Francisco. Ayan, malapit na. Palambutin lang natin ang karne. And then, my rice is cooking na. Let's check. Malambot na ba siya? Timplahan ko uli ng wala na yung patis o ano tawag dyan. O diba? Nakaraos din ako sa gawaing bahay. May naiwan. 15 million in the house. Sino yan? Going outdoor. Going outdoor. Salamat going outdoor. Asan ka ba ngayon pala? Nasa US ka? Naluto na aking rice. Ayan, tapos na kayo kay Kuan. Holograph sa kanyang short. Ako, di ko narinig, lumabas ako. Sino yun? Sino yun? Thanks much, host. Ayan, pasilip tayo kay Bisayang Dako. Ayan. Uy, Steve Antina, I forgot to check your house. But I will check that once I settle in the computer. Because I will write down the names and then I can play some of the videos of our friends.